we use the computer for everything. We are totally computerized. We have no paper charts except for the patient's medical history. All of their dental records, their dental charting, their dental x-rays are all digitized.
Everything we have is scanned, imported into our database. We concentrate on using all of the current technology to the best of our abilities, trying to learn more about them and the best way to use them and adapt them to our practice.
For me, it's all about communications. And so in this world, you know, it's all about computers and stuff. So if you don't have a good communication architecture or platform, you just forget about it. My whole law office is on that computer.
We have eight partners and 4 associates, and they practice all different types of law. We have everything from bankruptcy, water law, criminal defense, high-end divorces. You know, all of our data is stored on our accounting data. All of our accounting software is stored on them. The girls use them for all of their legal documents, and all that stuff is stored on them as well. And of course, our email, everything, the correspondences that we have with clients.
It's tragic. We've actually had that happen more than once. Lost our server, and we're at a standstill. We can do absolutely nothing. It's critical that we meet those deadlines to avoid malpracticing. So our downtime is critical, and we have to do whatever it takes to get the work done.
When our computers aren't working, the attorneys aren't able to, basically really to be able to work and to bill out their time and make money. So it is very crucial that our computers are working.
It ain't gone down yet. If it goes down, I go to their house. I go to their house, like, get this thing up. Quite frankly, I hate IT people. I didn't want to say that too bad, but I don't like them because, you know, promise you the world and then they don't deliver. Okay, and I've gone through that like 5 different times, and I said, can you show me somebody who can actually do something and actually keep their promises?
We have to have people here as fast as possible, or even monitoring and seeing that there's a problem before we even get there. You know, that's sometimes nice if there's that monitoring and they know there's been a problem and they're working on it before we even get here.
They do follow up, but we utilize their services on a weekly or more than once a week basis. And so it's not really a follow-up, it's a constant of concerns and problems and things we're trying to work out.
I think that Doctor decided he wanted to do the no worries contract just so the bases were covered. Whenever we needed anything, whenever we had a glitch, we had somebody here and we could have it taken care of. So then we can just go about our business.
They have a system where they get alerts. I don't know how they get it, but they get alerts. So since there's something going on with your machine, sometimes they know before you do. You know, I don't do anything but work, and if there's something going wrong, I can kind of keep, you know, track of things. But if there's something going on, I'll just give them a call. I'm in Coeur d'Alene, log in on my laptop. They're back here fixing the problem in time for me to conduct what I need to do in Coeur d'Alene. I was remote, and I'm sitting there with my desktop right there. I'm remotely linked in down here, and I was dealing with another law firm who was down here, but they couldn't even touch me with communications and stuff. They just couldn't do it because I could bring up anything I wanted to. When you need it in this business, and it's the legal business, and when you need it, you got to have it now.
We've had absolutely no downtime. I think all of maybe an hour and a half of downtime on our servers since hiring them. So, yeah, for what I do, you know, everything I do is related to time, and I have a lot to do. So, the less I have to spend on one issue, I can spend on something else. So,
it's just really nice to be able to call someone or email someone when we have little problems, and to have the faith that we're not going to have the big problems that we did before. It always amazes me how quick they are to come out and fix things. They do a great job for us.
You know, they're not waiting for me to call them. From the moment that they took over our contract, they were on the phone calling me, making sure everything was okay, asking if there was anything that I needed. I consider
them part of my team. You know, I cannot be successful if I don't have good communication.